this is for our rock lifting competition. Everybody,
Oh, so
welcome
cute.
Taito.
Oh, this is how you're supposed to do it.
Oh, look at that strength.
Oh.
All right.
You see how he's putting it on his shoulder and
is
he's going to have one hand off.
Yes.
Okay, next. You know?
Okay, next is Inok.
Ale, washi. So cute. Yeah.
Oh, right there. That's a different technique. But
See?
all
There
right.
you go. Oh, form everything. Judith left.
Okay, so the goal of this event is to lift the rock and put it on one shoulder with only one hand, touching the rock in the shortest amount of time. The time starts as soon as the rock leaves the ground, and the fastest time wins. For this competition, the athletes are divided into two categories based on their weight. If you are under 200 pounds, we have a 185-pound rock for you to lift. And if you are over 200 pounds, we have a 285-pound rock for you to lift.